This is going to be another one of those unboxing videos. This is going to be for the Bandit vacuum pump made by Leeds Brakes. And with that being said, roll that cinematic footage. This is pretty much all there was in the box. The instructions. There's a bag with some nuts, bolts, hose clamps, some washers, and some electrical connectors, and this wiring harness with a fuse. The vacuum hose, there are no markings on it. This is just a very thick rubber hose, and vacuum pump. The first thing that I noticed when I took it out of the box was the size. Now, I was under the misguided impression that this was going to be the exact same size as a standard vacuum canister, like one you can buy at Summit or Jegs. And it's actually not. It is bigger. I think it's maybe an inch too wider or an inch too taller, so it is not going to fit in the same spot. And I guess this is the reason why I'm trying to make this point is if you're trying to replace a standard vacuum canister with this and you're working with a very tight spot, this may not work. You may need to get the naked one or maybe try to find a different location. So just make sure to double check the size. I will take some footage of this next to my vacuum canister so you can have a visual representation of that. And I'm going to try to link it in here when I get a chance to install this. But just by looking at it, I can tell that it would not fit in the same location. So keep that in mind. I will take some close-ups of it and leave you with that.